How to fix you can't make this change at the moment Facebook two-factor authentication problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error you can't make the change at the moment that might pop up when you try to set up two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So without further ado, let's get started. So this errors usually happens for couple of reasons. Either you are logging in from an unfamiliar device or you don't use your Facebook account frequently, which can cause Facebook to flag the setup as unusual activity. But don't worry, I'll walk you through two solutions to resolve this issue. So the first solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. By doing this, it can refresh and reboot the Facebook system on your mobile. But if the first solution doesn't work, try linking your Instagram and Facebook account. And even if you don't have an Instagram account, you can create one and link it to your Facebook account. And here is how you can do it. First thing first, open the Instagram app and log in to your account. Once you are inside the app, tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. And after doing that, you will enter the profile section. From there, simply tap on the three dash icon. After that, tap on Account Center. And after that, you will enter the account section. From there, you simply need to scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Next, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now, make sure to enter your password and select a security method and add your phone number. And once your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked, it should bypass the error on Facebook. And by following the instructions for the setup, you should be able to solve the problem. And that's it. Those are two effective ways to fix the you can't make the change at the moment error on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.